back in. I can't get it back out again now. And then we'll show you what we're going to do. Right. Got the bezel from off the top of my steering. Move the drill bit. I've got a selection of drill bits. I've already pre-marked when it was in the dash, so I'm going to stick one little tiny little hole, 4.5. There you go. Clean it out. Right, muck in there. Right, now I've got a small 12 volt LED, got the right resistors in to run it off 12 volts. And I'm going to put it in from the back side. Try it from the front first. Right. Now it feels like I've just got to work a hole a bit more just to be able to get him in there. If I can get it in from the front, I'll be able to get it from the back. There you go. Right, push him back out. Put it in from the back. There you go. And now look, it's level with the surface. Got it level with the surface. Just a small bump. Right, now that, I've always found that with these Mk7s, because I've got the trip computer, fuel computer in there, when it's pretty bright outside, you can't see the dashboard, you can't see the reading out on it. So I did rest an ordinary torch on there the one day and I could see all the dashboard. So I decided I'm going to try a blue one, see if that lights my dashboard up enough to see it. Failing that, I've got white ones that I shall put 12 volt white one in there. Well, that's just to be able to light up and see the dashboard when I'm driving along. So just going to extend those wires now to go down to the I've got a console on there that only comes on when the ignition is on. Right, bear with me. Right, as normal, I'm going to take that out of there for now. Out with the soldering iron. I don't use the strippers on this because this stuff is so thin. There you go. The soda's just kicked off from charging the van. I heard it go clunk. My helping hands. Let's have a look. Oh, lovely. Right, that's all tinned. Now for a bit of shrink. One there, and one there. One, two. red one to the one with the white stripe. And the black one to the black. Let's give that around a tad. There you go. Bit of solder. Simple as that. Over the top of that one. The red one over the top of the red, black, white. Cigarette lighter. That's going to move. We'll just put a bit of tape around it as well to keep them apart. Right. Give myself quite a bit to be able to go around the dash just in case. And there you go, LED on the end. There is a small resistor, you can't see it because it's covered in shrink, heat shrink. But that one's blue. It might not light the dashboard up very well. I don't know until I've tried it. I don't really want any other colour to light the dashboard up unless I use orange. Inverter, I can turn the inverter off now. Let's have a look. I don't know whether you can see or not, but I've got the little bulb coming up. Now I'm going to slip him back into the console and see if I can put the console back in. I just can't do it in any way to get myself out of your view. Oh, that's a lovely tight fit in there. Right. Drop it down into there. I haven't earthed it yet. I wanted to get it in there first. Yep. Right. Once I've got this console back together, I'll get you in close to have a look. Keys out. Once I've got these back in. Torque Bits T20s. There you go. That's back in there. There it goes. Put my knife away before I cut my fingers. And I'll unscrew you off the tripod. Right. Turn my screen back as I can see me. Right. Now what did you do with my keys? There. Keys in ignition. Now when I turn the ignition on, yeah, as I suspected, I reckon that's a bit too bright, it's dazzling back. Unplug the alarm. There. That's shining back into my face. I can't see, so I don't know how to quite do that yet. I might try a white one. Right, you've got a big haze over that, but the way I'm looking at it, it's not sending up a haze. That little dome there, I haven't got it. All I've got is a blue clock when I'm looking at it. But there, I can see it now. And door ajar. It's 6.2 outside. Distance in the tank. Average fuel, I've only got 22 because I've been running around town. And yeah, average of 11 mile an hour, I'd say. At the moment, that is still dazzling, but I think I'm going to leave it until night time to see what we got. Because I might just put a cowal over it and then put a reflector underneath it. I'm going to see if I can find one of the old fluorescent lights and take a diffuser off it and see if I can spread that around. Although that's not too bad now. I can see that. It is lighting the clocks up. It is lighting them up. But there. Alright. Try that out. Well, I got rid of that horrible great big shine off it by putting a white light diffuser on it. And I think that's covered it a lot more better. But I mean, it's showing like you've got a big red light there, but it's all I've got. It's just a blue haze from viewing at it. Just a big blue haze, something like that. But I can see it now, so we'll give that a try, and I'll keep you updated.